Volvo, the Swedish car brand, has been producing luxury cars in many segments for years. Volvo is constantly chosen as the safest car brand in the world by many institutions with its flawless engineering and customer satisfaction. Volvo has been allocating the largest budget for R&D studies for the safety of its vehicles for years, and continues to receive 5 stars by many safety standards every year. In addition, Volvo has made the biggest contribution to the safety technology of its vehicles. This success of the brand is due to its sensitivity and long-term studies on passenger safety. We have listed why Volvo is the most solid car brand for you. 1. Volvo's power comes from Swedish Steel Swedish steel, known as the highest quality steel in the world today, is extremely solid because it does not contain phosphorus and sulfur. Swedish steel, which has been an indispensable component of all vehicles from the smallest to the largest for years, is one of the main features that makes Volvo Volvo. 2. Anti-lock braking system and stability control ABS. The braking system known as ABS is well studied in every Volvo. In the event of a vehicle going out of control, the data that is constantly reviewed is detected, and in the opposite case, it reduces engine power and activates the braking system. Volvo's accident scene investigators. There is a team of accident scene investigators who examine the scene of accidents involving Volvo vehicles and inspect what went wrong in accidents involving the brand. This team then reports their observations at the scene to Volvo engineers. The team, which has been in existence for 50 years, continues to pioneer the development of many safety features. Officially, it is known as the Volvo Car Crash Investigation Team. 4. No one inside a Volvo will be killed or injured. Although it sounds very strange, it has been the vision that the brand has adopted and worked on since 2008. In fact, this vision shows how much Volvo is aware of the reality of traffic accidents. 5. Airbags. Volvo has been equipping its vehicles with new safety systems since 1959. In fact, the Volvo brand invented the first seat belt. In parallel with this, it produced the first side airbags in 1991. Volvo also equips each vehicle with more than 6 airbags. 6. All Volvo models have a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Euro NCAP is the European crash tester that performs safety tests on new model vehicles. All Volvo models have the highest rating of 5 stars by Euro NCAP.